Hello, my name's John from the YouTube Stadium channel. How you doing? And welcome back to Bramley-moore in a week. Day 2, day 3 really, but we're after this Monday. And we are back down, as you can probably guess, at Bramley-moore. So, they're actually just fitting. I don't know if you can see that too well. They're actually just fitting some of that side roof cladding in at the moment, which is good. But it's still only that one strip as yesterday. So we've been up in the air. It is extremely windy, and as you'll see from the drone footage I will post, it hasn't gone too well. I had to bring the drone down pretty quick. We did get a tiny bit of footage, as I say, which I will post for you. But yeah, it's just been one of them days where the weather's messed us up. This thing is very, this is very weather dependent, and the weather's kind of messed us up. But might as well take a little look around while we're here. So, work going on inside and outside the stadium. And it can be called the stadium now. I did have a few comments yesterday saying about they don't think it's going to be done in time, but hang on, I'm zooming later. Let me give it here. It's better. Okay. My people on the inside, the person I know on the inside said that, everything is on target. Whether they've just been told to say that, who knows, but, I'm just going off what he said. We are going to get up in the air in a moment, but there's something I just want to show you, which I just spotted as I was getting the drone up, which looks quite cool. So we're just on our way to show you the north side of the stand now, which is on the way. Just getting there. You don't realise how big it is until you actually walk along towards the end point of it. We're nearly there. Did anyone catch the Everton game yesterday? I thought it was the most entertaining 0-0 I've seen in a long time. Couldn't think it could have went either way. Everton were unlucky. Fulham were unlucky. Pickford made that superb save during the second half as well, which did keep it to 0-0. The penalty, I'll be doing a video on that later on, so stay tuned for that. Right, this is what I wanted to show you. So these are these glass panels on the side. You can't see it too well because the zoom on this. Let me just try something. See if we can. Nah. I just thought if I changed it might go, but it just looks cool, and then it doesn't look like it's glass from anywhere else. Anyway, zoomed in on me because again, hang on. There we go. Don't know, I want to see that. Okay, we're just going to get you around one last look and then we'll get up into the air. And it's not the greatest bit of footage I've ever shot. The drone's all over the place, but you'll get an idea that how windy it is. And you know, I'm posting this video just to prove I am. You know, I have been down here. I have been making the effort to get here and try and do this, but the windy conditions just wouldn't let it allow for it to happen. Right, we're going to get up in the air. Take care. We'll see you soon. Yeah, so as you'll see, there, and then there, and then there, very choppy, and the drone wasn't stable, and it just wasn't happening for us today. So we had to kind of abort mission. See what I mean? Just had to get the drone out there. So I'm just posting this to prove that I have powers down there trying to get this week done. I've checked the weather. The weather's meant to be nice and calm. A lot calmer tomorrow, so I will be back down there. Giving it me all. I'll do a double tomorrow. So we're meant to be doing the fan zone tomorrow, I think. So we'll do the west side and the fan zone in the one video. It's all over the place. Yeah, so bit disappointing, but we can get a double video in tomorrow. Right, I can only apologise. I know it's just one of them things, but go on. We'll see you tomorrow for day 3, then day 4, but it's day 3 of actual filming. Hopefully get it out around the same time. Go on, take care. See you soon.